appetizer. Right.
Pam, please turn off that burner.
Got it. And a moussaka special and fettuccine alfredo, no cream. Hand me those bowls, please.
What?
What?
I can't give a customer Alfredo sauce with no cream. Fettuccine Alfredo. Pasta with cream, cheese, pepper.
Use milk.
For Alfredo sauce, I need cream.
He doesn't want cream.
He can have a nice spaghetti primavera, no cream.
I'm not going to give him something else.
And I'm going to put cream in it. I am going to put extra cream in it.
Oh, do you want to give him high cholesterol? Fine. You go out and tell him. He's the man on the left at the middle table.
What am I going to do with you?
It's not me, Jarmusch. I like cream.